Tesla replaces the car for the guy whose steering wheel fell off in the middle of the freeway. This was obviously a terrible scenario. Brand new Model Y driving down the freeway, steering wheel pops off. Boom. Oh my God, terrifying experience. So pull it over to the side of the road, bud. I can't. I got no steering wheel. Now,
still have the that little sheet that you get when you get a new car.
When you pick it up brand new. Yeah, it's wild. Listen, this was an unfortunate event. They're producing many of these because it's a Tesla. You have a news story, but quality control has been a question related to Tesla in the past as they're trying to ramp everything up. And people are like, am I really getting quality? Even you, when you got yours, you're like, is this thing like the way you sniffed around?
Oh, I did some sniffing. I had a whole checklist. And surprisingly, mine was great. Production was good.
You nailed it. Well, it's because they looked at the purchase orders like, oh, what do we do? We got to hit this guy. We got to double, triple check. We got to cross the T's, dot the I's.
Laying the hammer.
Yeah, we're going up against the Bronco on this one. They knew. They followed the whole story. They're Later fans. What, you kidding me? They got notifications turned on, bud.
Elon?
Yeah, you got notifications turned on, bud.
Thank you.
Did you just say thank you to Elon?
Yeah, for watching the show. I appreciate the support.
I like how you played along with my scenario there. So anyway, this guy is hilarious. He changed his Twitter name to Tesla Y steering wheel fall off. Fall off. So he previously had a different name on Twitter, but then obviously all the notoriety as the Tesla steering wheel fell off guy, he changes his entire identity to Tesla, why steering wheel fall off?
That's pretty clever.
Question mark. And the Y is why because he had a Model Y. It's pretty cool. Anyway, started tweeting at Elon and actually did a whole dialogue with Tesla to try to get a deal. To try to get them to buy back the busted Model Y. He just didn't want anything to do with it, I guess. And 83% of people polled suggested that he tries to get a new one instead of keeping his current car and having the steering wheel fixed, which is not normally the thing that would happen. Normally, they would just repair whatever's broken and you'd keep the car you have. But when you have such a major failure so soon after getting the thing, I guess you can make a case for replacement. So he went back and forth with Tesla, and Tesla finally decided, they said, this is not what we normally do, but they finally decided to give him a different car and put him in the queue, like some sort of priority sequence to get it. And then they let him borrow a Model Y in the meantime. So hopefully that steering wheel doesn't fall off. It's true. Originally, they tried to charge him for the repair. He's like, what are you talking about? How am I responsible for this? $100? Get out of here. My wheel fell off.
Almost died on the highway.
Yeah. I don't know. Probably a bolt wasn't done up. I don't know. It's all metal. I doubt it broke. It probably just wasn't originally secured. It's my guess.
So happy story.
I'm so happy for him. He got himself a new Model Y.